Here's the climb the ladder game that you all were just playing. So find the prime factorization of 27. So you take 27 and say a 3 goes into this, a 3 goes into 27 9 times, and then you'd say a 3 can go into 9 3 times, and then you say the only number that goes into 3 is 1 and 3, so 1 and done. So I could take these numbers, 3, 3, and 3. I don't need the 1. So this one was 3, 3, 3. See how many I can fit before I erase them. How about that? So now we're going to look at 30. So I'm going to go 30. I know a 3 goes into 30 10 times, and then 10 is even, so I know a 2 goes into 10 5 times. And then the only thing I can get to go into 5 is 1 and 5, so 1 and done. So the prime factorization, 3, 2, 5. On both of these, you see I don't put the 1 down there. 1's not prime. It needs to be 1 and a different number for it to be prime. Now we'll do 26. So we'll do 2 times 26, or 2 times what number? 2 times 13. And then there's nothing that goes into 13 besides 1 in itself, so it's done. So that one's 2 and 13. 47. Running out of room, but we can do this. So what numbers go into 47? Can we think of any? No, so it doesn't really have a prime factorization. It's just 1 and 47. Okay? Find the GCF, the greatest common factor of 21 and 49. So I'll take 21 and 49, and I'll build my ladder. I know 7 goes into 21 3 times, and I know 7 goes into 49 7 times. So now I'm thinking, is there a number that goes into 3 and goes into 7? 1 and done. So the greatest common factor over here is 7. So now we'll do 8 and 52. So these are both even, so a 2 can go in there 4 times, a 2 can go into 52 26 times. Another even set, so I get another 2. 2 goes into 4 2 times, and 2 goes into 26 13 times. Then I can say 1 and done. There's no other number that goes into 2 and goes into 13 besides 1. My GCF, should have wrote it over here, but the GCF is the vertical, so it's 2 times 2 times 1. 2 times 2 is 4, and then 4 times 1 is 1. All right, now we're doing 32 and 81. So I'm thinking a 2 can go into 32, but a 2 can't go into 81. So my next prime number is 3. A 3 cannot go into 32. It could go into 81. So if I could keep going through my list, the only thing that works here is 1. So is there a GCF for these guys? The greatest common factor? It's just 1. So simplify the following using the ladder method. So we're almost doing this. This is good. We had to erase 1, but we've got 48 over 100. They're both even. Becomes 24 over 50. Those are both even. So pulling a 2 out, so we get 12 over 25. Then there's no number that goes into 12 that also goes into 25. You're done. The fraction reduced is there. This equals 12 over 25. Sorry, I ran out of space on the last one. 36 and 50, both even. Pull out a 2. You get 18 and 25. Then there's nothing that goes into 18 that also goes into 25. So there's your fraction. This guy right here equals 18 over 25 reduced.